Everyone, welcome back to Voice It. Today I will be the host. My name is Ivan, and our guest will be Josh from 11-2. Now, Josh is an incredible student. First, he's the student council president, and he's also a gifted student that won many competitions recently. Right. So let's just start. Uh, about Semak Nabur Serang, what are the general student activities here?
Well, we have so many activities that we'll do in this school. First of all, every morning we will do a morning devotion. After that, we will start our lesson, and the teacher is really great in teach the student. So, if there are students that confused with the material, the teachers will be explain more and more until the student understand what the materials. And then, not only school, after school there are extracurriculars, and you can choose from every option, and all of these extracurriculars have so many benefits like develop your leadership, teamwork, and others.
Right. Of course, these activities need great facilities to support them. And what does the Smart Nabusara offer about these facilities?
Of course, Pramusyara gives the student a lot of facilities. For example, in basketball extracurricular, there are basketball court at the first floor, and then for computer club, we have a computer laboratorium that's filled with so many computers that all of the students can use it and explore about the material in the club.
That sounds very great. Are there any other facilities?
Nah, fun fact, Prabu Serang High School is the only school who has lift in Serang City.
Wow.
Like
Really?
no other school have lift in their school except Prabu Serang.
Wow, that sounds incredible. Right. And also, I've also heard that Smart Nabusara will be having lots of great activities, important events, etc. Do you have any thoughts about like important activities that is offered here at Smart Nabusara?
For information, I'm a president of student council, and then for schools even, the student council will be take a part in it. Like the student council don't just organize the event; they are coordinate and executing the event. And then there are a teacher that helps student council to recognize the events. Okay, take example. For example, our up-to-date event is Valentine and Imlek. So in this event, there's so many games that students can take a part in it, and that's really fun because we already take a feedback from Google Form, and there's such a positive comments and support for these events.
Wow. Okay. So of course we're very excited for the events. And are there any upcoming events in Smart Nabusara?
I think it's about your events, right? You're
Yeah,
gonna
of course.
you're gonna make some competition
Yeah.
about English, right?
Right, of course. So it will be happening in 18 May. So just wait.
Okay.
Right.
And before that, we have from student council we have activities. It's workshop. So we will make a workshop about how to develop our potential, because we look all of the students, most of the students in Prabu Serang High School, like still confused about their potential. So we choose the theme about potential development to increase the student to set up their future.
Right. So that event, especially the workshop, is meant to improve student skills, right?
Yes.
But why is it so important for students to improve their skills in different areas? Why is that?
Because as you know, we still in school
Right.
and we are not facing the real world. So this workshop choose the theme about the self-development to prepare the student, including us, to the real world. Like we have to know what's the main point of our potential. So this is important to the student to know their potential, so they can face the real world.
I agree with your opinion, of course. And also, it is important to improve our skills in technology specifically because, as we all know, today is the age of development. There are many different developments in technology. The world is changing in a rapid pace. And how does BPK Penambur ensure that, Smart BPK Penambur ensure that students gain knowledge in using technology to benefit society?
Okay, for the technologies, we can see in our common lessons there are computer subject. So from this computer subject, we arrange to explore what is the technology is. Like, as we know, the acceleration of technology is very rapid, and we have to ready to face it. So in the lesson, the teacher will guide us about the newest topic of technology. From that, we can learn and get to know about what is technology. And like, I think you are the winner of OSN or in city level.
Yeah, I already passed like the province level.
I think that's the point of Penambur Serang's commitment in develop students' technology knowledge.
Right. So, Smart Penambur Serang really does care about their students' skills, improving their students' skills in technology, and of course, with other skills, in for example, in extracurricular, in sports, and of course, it will result in student achievements. Do you have any like examples of students' achievements here in Smart Penambur Serang, like recent achievements?
Let me tell you the up-to-date Penambur Serang High School's achievement. Okay, first is NASPO UGM Silver Medalist.
Wow.
So NASPO stands for National Applied Science Project Olympiad. This is a national level where the students have to make some science project and then they have to develop it. And Penambur Serang already made the. Do you remember it?
Oh, the power generator using steps, right?
Using footsteps, like it's already developed in Japan, and
Wow.
Penambur Serang students develop it more using, I think, piezoelectric.
Yeah, and also Arduino, right?
Yeah.
So it's like smart technology combined with energy. Wow, incredible.
Okay. The second one is the third place winner of Banten Province English Debate Competition team. And in this competition, we are competing with another school that have a tough skills in English debate.
Wow.
But we have got third place. And then next, second place winner of Indonesian and English debate competition at Tirta. In this competition, we got second place in both of language, English debate and Indonesian debate. The next is the second place in psychology village 17 UPH. So this achievement, we received this achievement is from our students. Her name is Nisaria Putri Akasentiadi. It's our friends, right?
Right.
And then next is third place National Taekwondo. This is from the first year's students. His name is Gerald.
Gerald.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then he's also have a more achievement, but if we tell all of the achievement, this duration is doesn't enough, right?
Yeah.
And then the last one is third place Tuna Satria Series 4. This is basketball competition. So this is 3x3 in this competition. Prabu Serang High School gives all of the facilities that they need, like the coach, court, and then the transport is already served from the Prabu Serang.
Right. So Penabur Serang not only educates these kids in preparing for this competition, but also covers basically all of them. So the students can really focus on gaining achievements. So of course we can say that Semak Penabur Serang's holistic approach to education really paid off, and so that to raise these prestigious students that can achieve many achievements, right? And let's end this podcast by one hard question, right? You are like the student council person, right? Of course. And do you have like any visions for the future for Semak Penabur Serang?
Okay, as a president, I have a mindset that I have to set direction, make decision, and I have to take responsibility when it needs. So, for my vision, Penabur Serang High School, I hope that I can make Penabur Serang is greater than before, and I hope it's so. All of the students can increase their values by its own. And I also, for the last one, I hope Penabur Serang will be the best school.
Yes. So, also, do you have like any advice for our viewers, or maybe just like a light-hearted jokes?
Okay, for me, my advice is you have to do whatever you want. Don't care about others people say. Just focus on yourself and keep it going. The last one, stay humble.
Right. So thank you guys for viewing our podcast. Thank you for Josh as our guest, and that's it for Voice 8 episode 2. See you guys later.
The last one, don't forget to come and join us. Bye bye.